Exciting news for all EalSuite users because we've implemented a new serial code duplication validation across all modules, reinforcing our commitment to data accuracy and integrity by preventing duplicate entries. So let's see how this works out. We can go to a sales module, and under sales modules, let's select invoices. Now, first of all, let's look at the existing invoices or the invoices that we have already created. And you can see the ID section here. And the last invoice created has an ID 012. Now, what happens when we create a new invoice? So if I try to create a new invoice, you could see that the invoice will be generated with this new ID 013 as a suffix, right? So everything is good. Now, my question is, what happens if I change this ID into an existing one, perhaps into 012 as the suffix? So can we do that? Absolutely, yes. We can go to our settings, and under settings, under general preferences, you could see the series manager. Now, if you want to filter it out for all, we can go to invoices, and we could see that the suffix is 13. Let's change it to 12. Can we do that? Yes, successfully updated. Now, we can return back to our invoice creation page, and we can reload it. There should be some changes, and yes, there are some changes. Now, see the serial code or the ID suffix has been changed into 012. Now, can we create a new invoice like this? So let's find out. So I'm creating an invoice for the customer, Daniel Wang, and let's choose the item. Let me saxophone, and the price I can give as 110 along with GST and everything. We could see the total price is 113.30. And if I click on save, I could see something, an invoice code validation, and error message pops up because you see this number already exists, corresponding to an already existing invoice. So what can we do? We cannot create an invoice with this serial number or an ID. So we'll have to change it. So we can return back to our series manager, change the suffix into 13 in this particular case, return back to our invoice, reload it. Yes, the change has been made. We can select the same customer. We can select the same item, assign the same pricing also. You see, everything is the same. Right now, we will be able to successfully create an invoice with this new ID. So this validation is really key because we will be completely removing all the duplications. So thank you very much.